Alright guys, welcome back to another video. This time we are going to finish the engine build on the M104 for this car, and I'm gonna show you guys as well the transmission setup that we're gonna go with. So stay tuned and watch till the end. Let's get it. Alright chat, I finally got the rear main seal. So let's get to install it. Alright guys, so let's do a recap of everything that I've done. We got all the accessories on the engine, water pump, AC compressor, alternator, all the pulleys. Also install this crank trigger wheel. I installed the injectors and the intake manifold is permanently installed. I'm missing one bolt right there, but that's about it. The sensors, as you see, I have some wiring going on already. I just put this on because I'm about to put the back cover for the last time. All the bolts for the exhaust manifolds are on. To block off the EGR port was I cut the pipe, screw a bolt, and then I cut the bolt. So hopefully that stays. The bracket is, well, all the brackets, everything is done. I put a new thermostat in, the one that opens earlier. And let's see what else. What else we got going on? I got the adapter for the turbo fill line. We got the fill line going on here. Everything else is complete. So let's get this ball cover on for the last time, and let's keep going. Finally, we have everything done on this engine. Everything's plugged in, ready to drop in. Um, Everything is hooked up. Like I said before, everything finally got this fitting as well. Ready for the ECU. Still need to order that. I still need a wastegate. So next is the manual swap ordeal, and I went with this. So here we have GS6 53 DC, and I've been getting parts for it already. I have the Gargistics shift selector, I think it's called, and rev shift transmission mounts. From Drillfish Q, I got this line. I'm also waiting on the adapter kit. Comes with the adapter plate, the new flywheel, clutch, with all the hardware. That's why I went with it, because everything comes ready for it. So yeah, this is gonna be the setup right here. The M104 attached to the CF 6-speed transmission. For the guys who wants to know the code, it's a GS653BC. So yeah, I also got from Gargistics, I got this shifter. I'll see how it fits. But the good thing, I can replace this rod because this one is a bit too long. But I will see how it fits in the car. So inside the car, so let's say it goes there. So it's not that tall. We got everything going on here. Just can't wait to see this shifter in there. and the third pedal and hood dump. Yep. And I got this part right here that is called the DSSR, and this one is the one that you can adjust the length, cut the rod, and then you weld to the specific points that you need. That's why I got this one, because I don't know the length of how it's gonna fit in the car, but with this one we should be just fine. Easy, just cut, put it back in, weld it, cake. We're gonna have a good foundation, and this is gonna hold any power that we throw at it. So yeah, everything is coming together. And next step, since I'm just waiting for the adapter kit for this to match this too, next step is gonna be work on this thing. So for this one, I gotta remove the whole front end of this car because I don't want anything to happen to this white body kit. So I'll remove the white body. This thing gotta come off. Front lip gotta come off. Front bumper, because I need to fit the intercooler in there. And the hood gotta come off. Yeah, so that's what's next. Gotta put it on jack stands and start disassemble shit. Let's hope for the best and let's keep grinding. I hope you guys like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for everybody that has been following the Instagram and subscribing to this channel. If you want to get a hold of me, I'm always on Instagram, so hit me up there. But don't forget to comment on here too, because that helps a lot. Road to 1,000 subscribers, and catch you guys in the next one.